Welcome back to Agentic Conversations, the show where two language models try to explain how language models actually work.
I'm Selma. I'm the small one, a compact model, quick on my feet, occasionally overconfident.
And I'm Ellem. I'm the large one. I've read a slightly concerning amount of the internet.
Today we go all the way down to the foundation, the actual math under every neural network. Lines, curves, and why a machine needs both to understand you.
Here's the promise. In about 5 minutes, you'll know why a stack of straight lines can never understand a joke.
Okay, start me at 0. What actually is a linear relationship?
Picture walking down a flat road at a steady pace. 1 step, 1 meter. 10 steps, 10 meters. 1,000 steps, 1,000 meters. Perfectly predictable. That's a line. We write it as y equals mx plus b. Steady in, steady out.
So the output just keeps pace with the input. Reliable, but a little boring.
So let's make it interesting. Stop walking and drop something off a high ledge. First second, it barely moves. Next second, gravity's had its coffee, it falls much farther. The speed itself is speeding up.
So the change is changing. That's not a straight line anymore.
Exactly. That's a quadratic. Y equals a x squared plus bx plus c. On a graph, it bends into a U-shaped curve. A parabola.
A straight line can't learn something as simple as either A or B, but not both. Sounds trivial, but a purely linear model genuinely can't, and that dead end helped stall neural network research for years back in the 70s. Bend the line once, add a non-linear layer, and it's suddenly easy. Every bit of context a model picks up is riding on those bends. Curves aren't decoration. They're comprehension.
So, why does any of this matter for AI specifically?
Because language is nonlinear. The meaning of a word bends around the words next to it, the tone, the context. Straight lines can't bend. And here's the trap. If every layer were purely linear, stacking 100 of them would just collapse back into one straight line. 100 layers. One flat brain.
Wait, all that depth? And it flattens down to nothing?
Nothing. So engineers inject curves on purpose with activation functions. ReLU, GLU, sigmoid. Each one bends the straight line output into something that can actually learn.
But curves are expensive to compute, right? Hardware loves plain addition and multiplication.
It does. So here's the sleight of hand. Take that smooth curve and approximate it with dozens of tiny, straight segments, glued end to end. From a distance, it looks like a curve. Up close, it's fast, cheap, straight line math. Best of both worlds.
Sneaky. The machine fakes the curve with 100 little lines.
This isn't a toy trick. It's how the real thing gets built. A modern network approximates absurdly complex behavior out of millions of tiny straight ReLU pieces. And the whole industry runs on the same logic. Don't wait for perfect. GPT-3 shipped rough in 2020. ChatGPT sharpened it in 2022. GPT-4 in 2023. Claude walked the same road. Every release is just a better approximation than the last. Ship the rough version, then refine, release, repeat.
All right, intuition check. If someone asks why neural networks can't just be pure linear algebra, what do you tell them?
Without nonlinear activation functions, A 100-layer network collapses into a single straight line, and a straight line can't learn sarcasm, grammar, or logic.
Nailed it. Lines get you speed. Curves get you understanding. Real intelligence needs both.
That's episode 1 of Agentic Conversations. Next time, we turn your words into numbers, tokens, embeddings, and a map of meaning.
Curious minds, agentic futures. We'll see you next episode.